Hello guys, your future in AI, artificial intelligence, the job landscape, IBM SkillsBuild. IBM offers you free courses in learning AI and get certificates for free through IBM SkillsBuild. Let's check this opportunity and the chance scholarship.
Ship together. So we go to the website. This is the link which we will open. You can share this opportunity to others through this link. Copy and share it through WhatsApp groups or Facebook. Go to activity and then register. You can register using your Gmail or LinkedIn account and so on. After you going, you just read and write some notes or feedback or reflection on your videos and articles. And finally there is a quiz, very easy quiz of 5 questions. You answer and get the certificate. Okay, so you get the certificate and continue for other course, and then you will learn Python, data science, deep learning, machine learning, all. If you have time, you can learn at any time, and you can stop at any time and complete learning. Okay, so these certificates will help you to get jobs and freelancing tasks and work. Okay, uh, of there are a lot of websites here. You can join it, and uh, it will help you to increase your experience. And this is advanced artificial association for advancement of artificial intelligence. You can sign it and create account and follow this website. Also this website for INNSORG, all the sites org, okay, organization. So it will not cost you any money, so you can get a lot of material, a lot of tasks, a lot of your community. You can share your experience and get experience from others and learn from their experience. So this is also International Neural Network Society, and this one for Data Science Association, not this all .org. This one for CO data, which is Committee on Data, okay, International Science Council. And this also org, you can remember, go and get a member on this organization. Also this one you can get a membership, you can register. This is Association of Data Scientists. And this is another journal. You can, if you have any article, any posters, any portfolio you need to upload, you can upload. Just register and upload your posters, your artificial your profiles, portfolios. Journal, it's a journal research, so you can also search for career solution for your projects which you will use AI in creating it. Besides this, there's also another organization, Association for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence. Okay, we see this before. This one, which is Analytics Insight. So this Analytics Insight also, you can read magazines, trending broadcasts. You contact them, advertise with them. If you have any project you need to advertise about it, you can advertise here. Also this is .net, not .com. This is Medium. This for writing article. You can win money from your article when you write on and post in this journal. Okay, also the last one is Kaggle is very good. It offers free learning package, micro learning. You can learn from here, and you can compete in contests. It's high contests. The prizes reach until $50,000. And this one, which is Udemy. You can create free account and continuing learning artificial intelligence. You can select from each one what the tasks you will do. This one I will post articles. This one I will compete in their contests. This one I will search for freelancing tasks or jobs. This one I will learn from it freely. Okay, so you can obtain the optimized thing from each one. Okay, you can earn certificates here for free from this free code camp. Also you can learn for free from code academy. It's free also, free certificates. And w3 schools, it's very famous for students in STEM schools and in general Egyptian schools. You can learn Python, you can learn SQL. These two parts you can learn are code. These two parts is very important for artificial intelligence, for machine learning or deep learning. Okay, SQL and Python. So, and last one is IBM. Here you can get also a lot of certificates free. These certificates will help you to gain career, good scientific experience, good academic experience, and professional experience. Okay, so if you have any questions, ask me and I will send you. So, okay, thanks for watching the video.